Hello and welcome. Now I'm Be Kassapian and I'm thrilled that you've joined me for this short little video to explain what I do. I teach teenagers to cook with ease and joy and fun and good nutrition, and I absolutely love it. Now, if you want to find more about my courses, you whip over to the online course page. I do a huge amount of work with students doing their Duke of Edinburgh Skills Awards. So more about that, or whip over to the DofE, All About DofE page. But in essence, I just love to teach teenagers to cook. I'm also a nutrition therapist, and that comes into the courses because if we can just teach students that cooking with singular ingredients is the way to go, energy levels, attitude, joy, all of these things are going to be so much better in their lives, and that is what I would love for them and for all of your families. So in short, if you wanted to find out more about me, then do whip over to the All About Me page. But I am really joyful you've joined me here today, and it's spring 2025 and I'm looking forward to the most exciting year ahead. Okay, bye.